Hi everyone, I'm Bod and I'm excited to share this video with you today completely for free. We've put this together because we want to help more people like you to access mem tools that can genuinely change the way you earn. In this video, I'm going to go over showing you how to set up Solana Bundler or Crypto Bundler mem tools. We're going to be explaining how to rug pull meme coins Solana, and next we will apply this rug pull live. Now, all you need to do is to create your token and add funds to Dev Wallet and Distribution Wallet Bundler. MemeTools is currently the best Solana bundler that working fast without getting snipers on before you buy. So I'll show you how to professionally rug pull Pumpfun using the best bundler on the market. MemeTools is the top tier bundler out there featuring powerful tools like Volume Bot, Comment Bot, and Bump.Fun. With this software, you can significantly boost your token's chances of success. Right now, there's a special offer. You can get lifetime access for just 3 Solana for a lifetime license, including future updates. The official website link is in the description. Now let's go over how to use it. First, in the wallet section, we generate wallets. I recommend creating as many as possible to make everything look natural. Next, we fund these wallets, which can be done with a single button click. The amount depends on your budget. After that, you can launch your token directly in the app by clicking Launch Token. Once your token is live, hit the Bundle Buy button. Instantly, your wallets will start purchasing your token. You can also sell everything at any moment with a single click using the Dump All button. This kind of strategy is often associated with rug pulls, which I totally don't endorse. The program also includes extra features like Volume Bot and Bump It Bot, but I'll cover those in another video. As you can see, this tool is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to successfully launch their meme coin. Now, let me show you where to find these meme coin rug pull tools like MemeTools or DogWifTools and many more. First, go to Google and search for memrugs.com. Go to the first result. This is the #1 marketplace for meme coins rug pull tools that can be used to create Solana meme coins easily and rug pull them all. In this marketplace, they have a lot of Solana scripts and Solana bundlers at the best pricing. All these tools are cracked and can be used for lifetime usage. All the pricing on memrugs.com is so cheap in comparison with their official supplier. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Thank you for watching. See you next time.